हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू क्राफ्ट विद कीर्ति। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ क्रिएटिव अटेम्प्ट करते रहते हैं। सो आज हम एक मोज़ैक टेबल अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं। ये मेरा भी पहला अटेम्प्ट है और इस मोज़ैक टेबल में बेसिकली छोटे छोटे पीसेस को टाइल्स के या आपके पास जो भी वेस्ट होता है उसके पीसेस एक साथ अटैच करके एक ब्यूटीफुल सी पिक्चर बनाते हैं। एंड आई हैव अ वुडन टेबल एंड जिसके ऊपर यूजुअली एक क्लॉथ रहता है, बट आई थॉट टू रिक्रिएट दैट एंड गिव इट सम मोज़ैक लुक। सो लेट अस सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट टू बी। एंड इस मोज़ैक को यूज़ करने के लिए या बनाने के लिए पहला जो प्रोसेस है वो ये है कि आपके पास अच्छी टाइल्स होनी चाहिए, प्रेफरेबली ऑफ द सेम साइज़। कुछ एडिसिव होना चाहिए जिससे आप उस ग्लू को एज एन उस पर्टिकुलर टाइल को आप अपने ग्लू से उससे अटैच करेंगे। एंड थर्ड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ दैट यू नीड अ ग्राउट एलिमेंट। नाउ यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग व्हाट इज़ ग्राउट। ग्राउट एक ऐसा एलिमेंट होता है विच इज़ सीमेंट बेस्ड and which is used to fill in the tile pieces, which is filled in basically in between the tiles. So ये बहुत easily हार्डवेयर की दुकान पे मिल जाता है। I'll first show you basically कौन सी टाइल्स मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ। So I randomly visited a sanitary store and वहाँ से मुझे कुछ टाइल्स मिली हैं which I will just show, and ये बहुत random टाइल्स हैं। You can see ये पूरा 6 का सेट मुझे कुछ 150 रुपीज़ में मिला है and I have cleaned it up. एंड आप देखें कितने ब्यूटीफुल पैटर्न्स हैं। आई ट्राइड कलेक्टिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द कलर्स इन कंट्रास्टिंग लुक। लाइक मेरे को कुछ ब्लैक मिले, देन आई वांटेड सम ऑरेंजेस, सम ब्लूज। सो जो भी ईजिली अवेलेबल था आई जस्ट पिक्ड इट अप एट अ वेरी लो प्राइस। मुझे ये 2 ऑरेंज चाहिए थे टू गिव इट सम कंट्रास्टिंग ब्राइट लुक। देन एक है which is of beige color, you can see जिस पे कॉफ़ी बनी हुई है। and 3 tiles which I got that is of the blue color. You see ये अभी dry नहीं हुई है completely, I'm just showing it to you, it's just out of the washroom, so I will just pat dry all of this and आप देखें। So basically all I wanted to show and make you understand is that everything is okay. Mosaic is all about mix and match. So there is nothing wrong or right in that. It's just that it's very important for you to understand the kind of color palette you are choosing. So उसका आपको बहुत ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. And this is the last one. Now one very important step which you need to understand is that ये सारी टाइल्स टूटेंगी। आपको आप इसके स्मॉल पीसेस या तो उस मार्केट से करा लीजिए या टाइल कटर से कर लीजिए। आई हैव नॉट डन ईदर। सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज आई एम गोइंग टू टेक हेल्प and put it in a plastic bag and just I'll use the hammer to tap this and break these tiles into small pieces. Keep it in each bucket as you will see forward in the process, and accordingly basis my design I'll put all this together to build in a mosaic. So we will see the entire process. In the meantime I'll just show it to you. This is the adhesive which I'm using. You can use a basic Fevicol also. So as you can see, this is easily available at the hardware shop wherein I asked for a good adhesive and this was recommended by the user. Then the next thing is I'll just show you the grout which I used. This is the grout which I have used. This is of Asian paste and it says Smart Care Tile Grout. So this is basically available in 2 or 3 colors. The vendor had a white and ivory color. I am not using ivory color because it will basically lower down the contrast for my mosaic. I prefer white color and in most of the cases if you don't want to go wrong, just go for a white or a creamish tone. And this is patti. This is a 5 rupees patti which is easily available, and this is to scrap off the extra grout which will be there on the mosaic. I also need one sponge which has to be damp, which is not supposed to be wet. So आप जितना भी mosaic लगाएंगे you just have to scrap off using that sponge. So now you will go on seeing the products, the way we are doing, and I'll see you in some time. See you on the other side. This is the table on which we are going to work today. This is the checklist. Before you start, ensure you have everything handy. After you have collected everything, draw design of your choice. I am doing a dragonfly here, and you can draw your own pattern. Once you have drawn the design, then you have to start filling in up with tiles to understand which piece suits all. First you will have to draw the design and then the pasting process starts. Since this is a very strenuous exercise and it's very time taking, you need to involve more people, and it definitely comes out to be a fun activity. And I am doing this over a weekend, and you see, you just have to randomly arrange different things, and a dog around is definitely something to be happy about. This is the look when we are halfway through. You have to randomly place the tile, as you can see here, and you must be seeing lot of gaps in between the tiles. So you need not worry for that, because the grout will take this space, and I'm just showing you the overall look. Once your design is done, then you pick up each tile piece and apply adhesive. It is recommended to go piece by piece, otherwise you may forget which piece lies or pertains to which place. You can simply pick up each piece and apply the adhesive like I'm doing. It should be a strong adhesive, and just apply it firmly and put the piece back and see that it is firmly placed. Once you have pasted your tile, then take a damp sponge, ensure that there is no water, and keep it aside, and then start mixing your grout. I am randomly adding some water to see that the consistency is not runny and it is not very hard also. Keep on mixing till you get the desired consistency. As you can see, I am just churning this, and soon you will get a consistency which is not very runny, and see, this is not very thick also, at the same time not runny. This is very easy for application if you keep your consistency like this, and it dries approximately in 30 to 40 minutes. So you can easily pour it in, do your work, and then start removing the extra on the tile which you get. Once your grout is ready, then start filling in the grout using putty or any kind of spatula. I use this putty because it makes the work very easy, and as you can see, the application is very easy. You just have to go on scrapping, and soon it just dries within 30 to 40 minutes. So before it actually dries, you have to use your damp sponge to remove the extra pieces or extra grout which can be seen on the tile. So just go on repeating the process unless you complete the entire filling in of grout, and be little patient because this is a time taking process and needs a lot of precision. So you see, just go on scrapping and you will see that grout is automatically filling in the places. Yeah. This is the clean and completed look of the table. I am showing you a close-up view of it, wherein you can see the tile and the grout and the design which we initially made. You just have to ensure that the grout is properly filled in and the extras are rubbed off. I have got the bedding done at the edge of the table, and this is done to avoid any pointed corners. You may want to get a similar thing done, or even a very nice cloth or lace also helps at times to enhance the look and to cover those pointed corners. Here is the completed look of the table. So I'm very happy with the way the textures have come up, the way the tile and the grout has reacted to each other, since I told you this is my first attempt. So I've never experienced it before, so I'm very much elated to show you this table, and it's very nice, neat, very subtle textures. So I would urge you to attempt something similar, and do let me know in the comment section below. Did you attempt anything, or if you need any further additional information from my end. and I just want to thank all of you for all the time that you have given to me and for subscribing my channel and liking my content. Thank you.